Hello guys, Truck Attack here. Thanks for tuning in. Well, today's a beautiful day. It looks like we're about to get some rain, but before we do, I'm gonna do some shots. And also I've been asked, well, Track, can you help us out and give us some tips that is gonna help us become a better shooter? Yes, I can. And I'm gonna try to keep it short and simple. So one of the mistakes that us as shooters make is that, well, you put the target on the anywhere in the forks, depending on the distance. And you go, well, why is it that sometimes I hit the target and sometimes I don't hit the target? And I am 100% for sure that I'm keeping it in the same uh, point reference on my forks. I don't understand. Sometimes my shot goes to the left, sometimes it goes to the right. I don't get it. Well, I'm gonna explain that to you. It's all on your hand that you hold the pouch. So when you pull your fork, or when you pull your bands, you must pull evenly. Often you see me do this. Let me move back a little bit. Often you see me do this. And that is because I see how I'm pulling my bands. Sometimes you see me lock it and bring it forward. But even though my bands are straight, okay? So just remember, pull your band straight. I'm gonna tell you another reason why you may not hit the target. If you think you have your band straight and you aiming right at the target according to your forks, and you don't hit the target, it's because you may be a little bit lower or a little bit higher. Even though you may not get a fork hit because there's still enough room for the ammo to go through, but still you keep missing, it's because you don't have your bands straight. You must keep it straight. Even if you drop it a little bit, it's enough to miss the target. Even a half a centimeter is enough to hit the target, to miss the target. So guys, try that and you see that your accuracy will increase. So now let's get to some shooting and see if we can beat the rain. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's see if we can hit the edge on this target. I couldn't see the card at all. I don't know if I hit it. Let me see if I can find it. Found it. Here it is. Hit the edge. So let me put the camera here. I'm gonna show you guys. So that's it. Hit right on the edge. This is a perfect shot. Now, what I was explaining you guys is, if I was going to hit a target a lot smaller than this, or a lot shorter than this, then I will have to keep my bands perfectly straight. But with this card, hitting it at the edge, I have a little bit of room to play with. So that means if I have the bands a little bit higher or a little bit lower, as long as I have this straight what am I trying to say? If I have the straight path the ammo is going, so I was going to hit the card either way, whether it was going to be a little bit higher or a little bit lower, as long as I have the same direction of hitting the edge. Now, if I was going to hit something like this small, like let's say this size right here, I have no choice but to keep the bands 100% straight, or I will miss the target. By hitting a card like this, I have a little bit of room to either go up or down. So I know I have a little bit of confidence hitting the edge of the card better than I would hitting something like this, because there's room that you can actually, there's more room that you can hit the card, whether you're gonna hit it down here or up here. So that's one tip that I can give you. Remember, keep your bands straight as possible as you can, and then your accuracy will increase. See, guys? All right, guys, let's try to do another shot. All right, guys, let's see if we can get a hit. Stay. See if I can get this to stay. All right. All right, let's see what kind of damage we got. And there we have it. Look at that, guys. That's right on the edge. You guys see? Right there on the edge. All right, and again, remember, keep your bands straight. Now this, I had to have my band straight 100%. If not, I would have missed it, because now I don't have that much room to miss. It must be straight. It's not like I'm shooting it like this. I'm shooting it like this, so there's not enough room to miss. So this is what I call a perfect shot. And I encourage you guys, give it a shot. Keep your bend straight, and you will be a bit more accurate. All right, guys, let's do another shot. there wasn't much room to make a mistake on this one because it was laying on the ground, and this one is just like the razor blade, can be a little bit challenging. But there you have it, guys. So let's see what else we can shoot. Okay, all right guys, let's see if we can hit this match. Let's go for a headshot. All right, finding this is going to be a challenge for me, so I don't even know if I'm going to bother looking for it because I have so many pieces of, you know, wood here that looks all the same. So I don't know if I'll be able to find it, so, but I'll look. All right guys, let's see you on the next shot. All right, guys, so what can I say? First of all, I had a lot of fun shooting. And second of all, I am glad that I'm able to bring you some tips on how to become a better shooter. But ultimately, it's up to you. How bad do you want to become a better shooter? Now, there's tons of videos out there that will show you how to be a better shooter. But what works for me may not work for you. So I encourage you to go online and look at all of those videos that brings a lot of good content for you. Well, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And remember, safety is number one. So see you in the next video, guys. All right, stay safe.